Hi and welcome back to ClueGuru. Now that we have installed the Git, now it's time to set up a GitHub remote repositories or GitHub account. For that, you have to go to the GitHub URL, which is github.com, and sign up with the email address with which you want to associate it with the GitHub account. Let's say I want to sign up with this email address. Click on continue and select the password. After you have selected the password, just make sure that you follow the acceptance criteria while setting up the password. Once the password is selected, click on continue and enter the username. Let's say GitHub demo. Let's say ClueGuru and then click on continue. I don't want any email notification. I'll just click on continue. It's asking to solve a puzzle to verify it. Let me solve this and come back. Yeah, the verification was done. And now I'll just click on create account. So it is asking me to enter a verification code which was sent to the email address. Let me come back once I enter this code. So this is the launch code which I just received on my email address, which is 796366730. Just click on enter. Just follow up the instruction which it gives. It's just me. Are you a student? Yes. Click on continue. We are specifying the features you are interested in. I'll just click on continue. Continue with the free version. Now our GitHub account has been created. Thanks for being with us.